presentation by Healthy Leadership CIC. Building Team Wellbeing by Healthy Leadership CIC. I'm going to focus on two things. One is changing habits, and the second is how to build team well-being. And both require some investigation on your part and that of the team. And they can be a small-scale investigation or a large-scale investigation, from just simply using post-its to questionnaires. But whatever you do, it's really important to do it with the team and engage and involve them. So let's look at changing habits first. So first, work with the team to help them understand where they are on the path to change. Are they unaware and resistant of the need to change? Are they beginning to realize that there is a need? Have they become ready for the change? Or are they already actively changing? So ask them to work out where they are on this path of readiness for change. Then get the team to think about what their path for change is from their current team self to the future team self. Do they like to look at the future and imagine it and think about it and how they're going to act and behave in the future? What are the emotions that they've experienced in the past? What emotional closure and acceptance do they need to shift from the current team self and behaviors to the future team self and behaviors? What are the chances of relapse and sabotage? And how have they done that in the past? What will help them avoid relapse and sabotage? What helps them to change their habits, both cognitively and practically? What has the team done to support continued hope and courage and motivation? So get them to articulate their path to change and learn from it. And get them to think about where the team is now and what will help it change. Having done that, let's move on to looking at team well-being. And there are 5 different categories to look at. The first one is from the point of view of the team members. So if the team is really looking after its well-being, individual team members will have good self-care and coping strategies. They will be supporting each other. They will be ensuring that there is good communication, that they offer and have access to good technical and practical help. There's role clarity across the team. The team are using efficient and effective work practices. There is a sufficient work-life balance, and the work environment is one that is conducive. From the perspective of the leaders, they will show democratic and compassionate managerial and leadership skills. They will know about and encourage well-being and inclusion and be very good at trust building. And they will know how to look after themselves as individual leaders. In terms of the culture, there should be a decrease of factors that diminish well-being. Collective accountability will be promoted where the positive is praised and the negative is addressed openly. You will see trust, respect, integrity, and decency. Diversity is part and parcel of the life and the culture of the team, and there is cultural competence. And in the culture and in the team behaviors, there's a good understanding of complexity and how to deal with it. In terms of external factors, there will be organizational policies and protocols that are supportive of team well-being. There's good resource availability. Partners are good and supportive, and there's good collaboration. The politics are sensitive to team well-being and supportive of that, and attention is paid to sustainability. The last area is on purpose and function. So it's important to look at purpose and function for the team and its well-being against the organizational purpose and function. And it's vital that the team understands that while it is working for a common purpose and function, there is a good chance that there will be compromise. And so the team needs to think about how it has compromised, how it is prepared to compromise. Once you've gone through this list, look at how you're going to assess the team against this list And as I said, this can be a small-scale investigation or a large-scale investigation. A very simple way is to give the team 2 sets of Post-its, 2 different colors. Ask them to write positive factors in terms of team well-being on one color and negative factors on the second color. Then get them to analyze both sets of Post-its and then work out how to present the findings, ask the team for their views on the findings, think about what is missing and what needs to be added. So what you've done is you've looked at your assets from the individual, team, managers, and organizational levels. You've identified the areas for change in terms of individuals, team, managers, and organizations, and that will allow you to move on to the next phase, which is planning and acting. So using those categories of individual, team, managers, and organizationals, work out what the actions are at each level that the team wants to take or wants others to take and is prepared to do. Create a plan with the team, work with them to implement it, get the support from the managers and the organization, and then you'll be increasing your team well-being. Thank you.